Hello everyone, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the tutorial video of how to download Canara Bank application. So if you are willing to download Canara Bank application but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to download it. So in order to download Canara Bank application, first of all go ahead and tap on Play Store application. And once you are inside the Play Store application, in the search box type in Canara Bank, and in the search result this will appear. Click on it and here you can see the install button. Press on the install button in order to download it on your mobile phone, and the installation process may take few times. And once the installation process is over, your Canara Bank application is successfully downloaded on your mobile phone. Click on open to launch it, and that is how easily you can download Canara Bank application on your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.